Hello guys, welcome to our next video. In this video we will cover how to delete documents from MongoDB, an essential part of data management. We will learn how to delete one many or all documents safely. The table of contents are: understand delete one and delete many. Legacy method remove, delete all documents in a collection. Drops a collection, deletes all plus collection. Delete in MongoDB Compass. Safety tips for deletion and practice examples. So first is delete one and delete many. So this is the command. I am opening the MongoDB Compass and I am connected to localhost and clicking on open MongoDB shell. Now I'm switched to local. So let's copy this command and paste it and enter. So our mouse product will be deleted. It will delete the first matching document. Now second is delete many. Let's copy this command and paste it and enter. Now we got acknowledged to and it is also deleted. It deletes all the documents that match the filter. Use filters carefully to avoid deleting too much. Our next topic is legacy method remove. MongoDB 4.0 encourages use delete one and delete many, but here's the old way. Now by using these two commands like db.products.remove and in curly braces name is mouse, it delete all the matches. And by using this db.products.remove name colon mouse true, it only deletes the one document. It is avoided in modern code bases. Use delete one and delete many instead. Delete all documents in a collection. Now this command will delete all the documents. Let's try this. Now it is acknowledged true and deleted count is 2. So when we refresh it, there is no data. As we can see, the data is removed. This will delete every document in the products collection. Warning, no confirmation. It's instant and permanent. Now next topic is drops a collection, deletes all plus structure. Now the command is db.products.drop. It will delete all the documents and the entire collection. Let's try this. For now the products are present. Let's paste this command and run it. True. Now if I refresh it, the products are removed. Now delete in MongoDB Compass. We have to open the collection in Compass, like I'm using this users. Next, click the trash icon next to a document. Like this is the delete icon. If I click this and again click on this delete icon, and our document is deleted. Now it is good for visual learners. Still follow filter safety. Compass does not stop accidental mass deletes. Safety tips and deletions. Always add a filter. Never use empty unless intentional. Backup your collection before mass deletion. Log deleted records if needed for audits. Use confirmation steps in app with real users. Now practice examples. Delete all users with is active false. So this is the command db.users.deleteMany, and in curly braces is active false. Let's find is active. It is not present in my document, so delete a product by _id. We can try this. Delete by id. I'm pasting it here, and let's copy the id. This. If I click on enter, our document will be deleted. It is true. And if I refresh it, one document is deleted. Now you have learned how to delete documents safely and effectively in MongoDB. In the next video, we will learn about how to improve read performance using indexes, a key concept in scaling MongoDB apps. Thank you guys.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.